And welcome everyone to another MSL Code A semifinal matchup. This one between, as I unpause it, the blue Protoss down here in the bottom left-hand corner of Cloud Kingdom, KillerKane. He is of course facing his orange Protoss opponent here in the top right-hand corner, Stefanovich. So Stefanovich, I think this is a little bit of homage to another famous player called Stefano. Stefano is unfortunately not a Protoss player and does not favor orange. He is instead a Zerg player. But regardless, Stefanovich, I appreciate your name. So this is going to be a mirror matchup. I think it's one of the first mirror matchups that we've seen in quite some time. We do have a proxy pylon. So Stefanovich going to bring the noise early on. I think we're going to see proxy 2 gate. I think we're going to see 2 10 gates. What do you guys think? I would say make some noise, but instead I'm just going to listen to you all silently through the internets. 1 gate. Where's the other? We're going to see another gate right here. This is going to be a very interesting start to a best of 5. I was talking in one of my previous games about how, you know, just in case you're wondering, in best of 5s you see either crazy things at the beginning or the end. Players saying, you know what the heck, I'll give something a shot, I have nothing else to lose. And depending on the mentality, it either happens at the beginning, where it's like, if this messes up, I'll get it later. Or if it's, oh no, I tried all my standard things, now I have to try something crazy. In the meantime, we see KillerKane playing a very common, typical style. You will note that he should have a worker advantage, as he's not sacrificed anything else. He does have a very common time scout. In PvP, it's actually really common not to scout at all. Until actually around the 4-minute mark. So this is even a good time scout. Stefanovich is making sure he in fact is not proxied and is making some sort of cool art. We do see 1 zealot coming out. It is chrono boosted. We should see another coming out soon. With the cyber core going down, he should have the ability to have a mothership core and or a stalker sometime soon. We have a pretty early gas geyser going down as well. It's actually very early. It's just a question is not whether or not he'll get to use it. There is 1 zealot out right now. Keep in mind these are cool looking zealots. They are dark skinned and scary. Check them out. They're lightsabers for hands, which I've mentioned before. They really do look like lightsabers for hands. There's nothing there because they are always turned on. We do have another gate coming out. He just needs to start production like immediately. He needs to get that mothership core out. And a stalker, and he might be able to hold this. Although with 4 zealots here, I don't know how in the world he could. We're going to see warp gate going down. There is in fact a proxy pylon here. Both players attempting to be cheesy as all get out in this first series, which means this series could have a handful of amazingly hilarious games. All the probes going to get pulled. No sort of control on the probes. They're just going to sit there and sacrifice themselves right into these spinning windmills of death. And we do have a rush, in fact. So Stefanovich going up to a very quick, and by that I mean this is 10 times shorter than the last game that I just casted. And Stefanovich is going to go a very quick 1-0 in this best of 5. So stay tuned. I'll get that next game out to you very quickly here.